toughest challenges I face in tech is being constantly ready to handle high-pressure moments, especially in fintech, where things move fast. I learned early on that resilience shouldn't be something you add later, but rather it has to be part of the design from day one. That's been my focus, building solutions that are strong, scalable, and built to last. As a woman in tech, bringing that mindset has shaped the impact I'm proudest of. I led by showing up, being present, accountable, and grounded in empathy and integrity. For me, leadership is all about creating a space where people feel heard, supported, and safe to bring bold ideas to the table. I want to help others grow, not just in their skills, but in their confidence, to challenge limits, take risks, and drive real impact in the tech. One area I'm really passionate about driving forward is cybersecurity, especially here in Asia. In the Philippines, we've seen how it's not enough that we establish the right security innovations, but more so on building a culture of security for every Filipino. The human side often gets overlooked, yet it's where the biggest impact can happen. If we can empower people with the right knowledge, design systems that are secured from the get-go, and strengthen regional collaborations, we'll be in a much better place to handle the threats we're facing today.